Guys, welcome to another video. So today we've had a few new products from Born Pretty sent over that we're going to have a look at. So we have got a chrome powder. To use with that, we've got the Chrome Mirror Top Coat. I've been dying to try this top coat. It's meant to be really, really good to use with chrome powder. And then we've got these three sparkle painting gels in colour Super Gold, Rose Gold and Super Silver. So I'm just going to get all the packaging removed and we'll take a look at them, shall we? Right guys, so they are all unpacked, ready to swatch. Pulled out my Born Pretty gel brush. I'm going to swatch this one first. So this is Super Gold Sparkle Painting Gel. You get 5 ml. You have got your ingredients on the back if you want to screenshot that. Inside the pot comes with the foil protective seal, but I like to just cut a circle in it so if it does tip in my drawer it doesn't matter too much, and it gives you something to wipe your brush on the edge of as well. Oh yeah, it's nice, it's pretty. Crumb packed full of glitter, I like it. I'm going to give that a cure for 60 seconds. Now we're on to Rose Gold. It's a pretty colour as well. I like that. So sparkly. And then lastly we've got Super Silver. Look at that one. It's super sparkly. So it's full of metallic glitter. It's not holographic. It is a gorgeous silver metallic. Stunning. So I'll give that one a cure and then we'll give them a top coat and then we'll have a look at them side by side. Actually, while they're curing, let's have a quick look at this Chrome Mirror Top Coat. So again, you've got your ingredients on the back there, if anyone wants to screenshot those. You get 10 ml in your glass bottle. From what I remember, I think you cure this for 60 seconds, but we'll give it a try and see. So make sure that your swatch stick or your nail is completely clean. No fluff on it at all, because chrome shows any imperfections up. Make sure it's nice and smooth and then pop that in the lamp to cure. So I'm going to try it for 60 seconds and we'll see how that goes. So that's had 60 seconds in the lamp. Oh wow. What a beautiful colour. Wow. That is stunning. Love that. Wow, look at that. Oh, you're not even seeing it how I'm seeing it, guys. That has got a proper beautiful shift on it. Look at that. and it's so much brighter than what you're seeing. Let me try and block some of that light out. No, it's not really. Oh, it's just so much brighter than what my camera's showing it. It is beautiful. I love it. I think I want to try that over a clear as well. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. Oh, beautiful. Very subtle over a clear, but still really, really pretty. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I am going to try that over another couple of different colours in a minute. So I just want to do a little design using a few of the things from today's PR package. So that chrome mirror top coat makes chrome powder apply so flawless. Beautiful. Imagine that once it's had a top coat as well. Oh, it's going to look beautiful. It's not patchy. It's not grainy. Yeah, I'm really, really liking this. So, I'm just going to do a very quick design. So, I pulled out this little tip. We're going to go in with Born Pretty's Semi Jelly number 11, which is a blue. Now, these are Hema free, guys. They're amazing quality gels. So this is a semi-sheer transparency. They say approximately like 50% transparency. Then I'm using Milky Jelly number 10. So this one is a 75% transparency. Kind of wish the blue was as well, but hoping it's not going to matter too much. Blend the two together. Give that a cure. Now we're going with these two colours again. Most of the blending is already done, guys, so there's not really a lot to do. So if there's any bits that you feel aren't blended well enough, just go in and give them a little bit of a mix up. Like that. Then give that a cure for 30 seconds. So that's all fully cured. Now we're going to apply the chrome mirror top coat. Give that a cure for 60 seconds. Now, I've actually given that a cure for 30 seconds. Let's see if it works just as well, shall we? Yeah. I don't actually think it needs 60. Obviously, it all depends how strong your lamp is, but I have got such a strong lamp. So you're always best to do a test nail before you do a design anyway, guys, just so you know how long you need to put it in your lamp for. Oh, look at that already. Loving it. Oh, beautiful. Now I'm going in with a matte top coat. I am going to use an old matte top coat for this, what I use for chromes and glitters and things, just because I don't want to get any in my decent matte top coat. Now you don't want to drag this, you want to kind of float it over, or else you're going to end up dragging that chrome powder off, like that. Give that a cure. Now I've pulled out my palette, and I just want to pop a little bit of this chrome mirror top coat on my palette. It needs to be a little bit, not a lot. So that's all fully cured. Look at that matte, it's beautiful. So I pulled out a liner brush. I'm just swirling that inside that cream top coat.
You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
Then give that a cure. Then we'll go over that again. Now we're going to pull out the silver and the rose gold. Into the silver.
Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do.
And then just blend them two together. Like that. And then I'm going to go in with Born Pretty's top coat. This is their super top coat. This is an amazing top coat. Pop a little bit of that on my palette. Then load that on my brush, and I'm just going to go over that end swirl and over the outlines of the swirls. And that's just going to seal in that chrome powder. I also did go over the glitter as well after I cured it. Give that a cure. And that is what it would look like all finished. I am loving that chrome over the top of that blue and pink. It's just a beautiful colour, isn't it? Beautiful. I really, really like it. It's definitely not my neatest work, I must admit, but it was just a little demonstration of what you can do with some of these products. It's cute. It's really, really cute. I like it. But yeah, I'm really, really liking those two colours with the chrome over the top. Really, really pretty, aren't they? This is what I was saying earlier. That chrome powder is going to look different over all different colour backgrounds. And I'm liking it over the blue and pink jelly. Stunning, isn't it? I loves it. So that is the swatches with the Born Pretty Super Top Coat over the top. Look how sparkly they are. They're beautiful, aren't they? They're super, super sparkly. Really, really like them. They are cram-packed full of metallic glitter. Really, really nice to use as well. So that is those. And then that is the chrome powder applied with the chrome mirror top coat. Guys, I cannot believe how flawless that chrome powder applies over that mirror chrome top coat. And it applied effortlessly as well. Just glided on. It was really, really easy to use. And like I said, it did cure within 30 seconds as well. Well happy with that. I've seen a few different chrome designs lately that I want to try, so I'll definitely be using this a lot in the upcoming videos. A lot. So that's everything for today's video, guys. Everything that I showed you today is available on Born Pretty's website. I will leave the links to everything in my description box below. I have also got a 12% off discount code for the Born Pretty website. I'll leave that pinned in my comments along with the website link. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.